This is Kevin Lehar, General Manager of Greenspring Farms. And in this video, we are revisiting our vital Riverwood farm in the Willamette Valley, Oregon, up near Dundee. And if you recall in a previous video, we showed how we removed 270 acres of diseased hazelnut trees that were in this area when we purchased the farm. After that, we did extensive soil testing and cover crop planting, and then came back in and set it up on a reduced tillage program where we worked just the area where we're going to plant the vines, including adding about 5.5 tons of organic compost right in the root zone to create a great environment for those young vines. These vines were planted finishing up in November of last year, and currently operations are completing installing the Trellis and the irrigation system. The next operation on this property will be working in the biomass builder to increase organic matter planted in between the rows that'll also sequester carbon and help with plant nutrition, and then we'll plant a permanent cover crop. We're about 2 years away from premium Oregon wine grapes. Hope you enjoyed this video.